In this lesson, we will discuss attribute routing introduced in .NET Core Web API with an example. So let's jump back to the Wheel Studio. You'll see that we have two overload of get methods, and we have added these methods with HTTP get attribute. Now for the sake of clarity, let's add another get method, and the purpose of this method is to accept one parameter of type integer and simply return that variable. Well, I'm gonna write this method just to explain you the concept. And once you understand the attribute routing, then we'll apply the concepts later in this course. So let's add a method here, and we name it test. And this method is used to accept an ID parameter and simply return this ID value. Now let me run this application. Well, just add the ID along with this URL. In simple words, the call goes to this get method, and this test method will not be executed. Now if we add HTTP get attribute on top of this method, run the application and again send the request, then this time we'll get an error. And it's saying that we have two methods of same signatures or multiple actions found against this request, because right now we have two get methods that accepts the ID parameter, and that's the reason we're getting this error, because when we send a get request, then our web API cannot differentiate between these two methods. We have to fix this issue, and we will solve this via attribute routing. So in the next lesson, let's understand the attribute routing.